In this Safety Spotlight, we'll discuss a free resource that can enhance safety as you travel to and from campus. We recommend that you always walk with a friend or a coworker, especially at night. Utilize free transportation services like Lyft Ride Smart at Ohio State or cabs. If you must travel alone, the university offers Rave Guardian, which is free for all students, faculty, and staff. The app allows you to select friends or family as a virtual guardian to follow you via GPS tracking using a destination-based timer. If time expires, your virtual guardian will be alerted and encouraged to make appropriate follow-up with you or police. Download today by searching Rave Guardian inside the Ohio State app. Once inside the Rave Guardian app, click on the safety timer. Enable location and notification services so that your guardian can locate you. Select a guardian from your contact list. Add information you want your guardian to know about your trip, like where you're going, if you're stopping along the way, or who you might be visiting. Adjust the timer slider to your estimated travel time. Click Confirm Your Trip. This will activate the timer and send a text message to your guardian to request that they follow you during your trip. Always remember to deactivate the timer when your trip is complete. As an added bonus, the Rave Guardian also includes faster delivery of Buckeye alerts and safety notices via push notifications. It's just one more resource available to enhance your overall safety. Remember, we all have a role in keeping each other safe. To learn more, visit the Safety Spotlight on our website, dps.osu.edu/resources.